प्राइस R1 के ऊपर क्या किया? ब्रह्मास्त्र बूम। एलिफेंट कैंडल, एलिफेंट यानी कि बड़ा हाथी, इंस्टीट्यूशन, FII, फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, यस, उनका फुटप्रिंट क्या करना है यहाँ पे? बूम।
RBL Bank. I booked my profit bit earlier. Not applying a stop loss program like you started with the visualization concept, and that is really good, and it helps. Once we repeat, like a lot of people say, like what we repeat, think through habitually becomes, or repeatedly what we think becomes our habitual thinking, and habits becomes beliefs. Thinking become more,
Correct.
it becomes beliefs. So once we imbibe this visualization into ourselves, so that will outcome will be the result. So I'm sure this is it'll be a very good outcome. Strategic investing for financial freedom. That was
Okay.
what that was no. I just left 2 days, so I have been reading. I only have about 64 pages to complete. So that is the first time I have completed a book. I'm going to complete in just such a short time. Usually, I take a month to complete any book. And how I came to know about yours, I randomly, when I was searching for books in Amazon, I came across a book, Three Swing Trading Strategies,
Top 3 swing
on
trading
Amazon.
strategies.
Yeah,
Correct.
so that is how I came to know about, and that was the first book where I was able to complete again in 3 days. Until then, many books I have taken and read, but I was not able to get a comprehension or put it into understand or anything. But this something I was able to understand, and that is why I went to your website and subscribe to your courses. So, and I'm looking forward to learn a lot from your training and mentorship, and improve myself as a trader.
Great, great, great. Before reading this book and before joining trading direction courses, which one biggest mistake you done?
Not applying a stop loss. One mistake recently I did it. RBL Bank. I booked my profit bit earlier. Next 2 days it again went up by 10 rupees in one day actually. So this is something I had to improve myself on.
लॉस में स्टॉप लॉस नहीं लगाते थे एंड अपना लॉस बढ़ाते हैं पहले, मतलब पहले, एंड उसके बाद प्रॉफिट में प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो ऐसा समझते हैं कि प्री मैच्योर, लाइक राइपंड मैंगो अनराइपंड उन्होंने खा लिया एंड बाद में सोच रहे थे कि अरे यार 2 दिन और रखते थे तो बहुत मजा आता. So that's what's happened because of lack of awareness, lack of indicator, lack of tools, lack of systems, and ये सब कुछ ना होने से lack of confidence. सब कुछ होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो जाता है, तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम होता है. Whenever setup forms, boom. We will continue discussion with you in the mentorship program tomorrow. Yes, thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
प्राइस R1 के ऊपर क्या किया? ब्रह्मास्त्र बूम. एलिफेंट कैंडल, एलिफेंट यानी कि बड़ा हाथी, इंस्टीट्यूशन, FII, फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, यस, उनका फुटप्रिंट क्या करना है यहाँ पे? बूम. हमारा टारगेट क्या रहेगा? R1 से निकला R2, R3 एंड ये RW2. तो आप हमारे रीडर क्लब के साथ जुड़ सकते हैं. जो भी किताब पढ़ रहे हैं, जस्ट यू नीड टू सबमिट द रिव्यू फॉर दैट Amazon, जैसे तो उसमें आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं.